Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the cool on flashing error on a Honeywell thermostat using the 2025 method. So step 1, first check if your thermostat is set to cool mode and the temperature is set lower than the current room temp. This ensures the system is actually being asked to cool. Step 2. Wait for 5 minutes. Most Honeywell thermostats have a built-in delay to protect your compressor. If cool on is still flashing after 5 minutes, move to the next step. Step 3. Check your circuit breaker or fuse box. Make sure that the HVAC system's power is on. Flip the switch off and back on to reset. Step 4. Inspect your air filter. A dirty filter can restrict airflow and trigger cooling issues. Replace it if needed. Step 5. Remove the thermostat faceplate and check if the wires are securely connected, especially the red or the power and yellow the cooling wires. Step 6. If nothing of that works, try resetting your thermostat. Most models have a reset button or require you to remove the batteries for 30 seconds and reinsert them. And now, your thermostat should stop flashing and start cooling properly. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.